no bar oil. One thing you've got to make sure with these aftermarket bars is that the oil hole matches up with your outlet on the saw. And on this one, this Arbortech GB bar, made in Australia, nice strong bar, but it was ever so slightly out. Oh, excuse me, ever so slightly out on this one. There was a small hole, and it was just about half over the slot there. So it's no great shakes just to get a larger drill bit and just enlarge those holes. Obviously done it both sides when you need to flip the bar. So now when that's on there, the hole there covers the slot, and there's plenty of depth in the groove here, as you can see, so you know, allows for plenty of wear and things like that. So we're not actually drilling through. Of course you don't want to drill right through, obviously. Well, I think that's cured that for now. Haven't had that problem before, and I think it stems from being given some chain oil. Obviously it's been given to me and all good intentions, but it came in just a random 5 litre tub, and I'm not sure, you know, what its provenance was, but so I've been using it, but just smelling it, it smells like vegetable oil of some sort, and it's obviously started to congeal in the tank there. It was starting to crystallise around the top, and I think it just blocked the pipe going from there to the pump and out, and then therefore not lubricating the bar. Probably through lack of use on my part, and whether or not it is the correct type of chain oil anyway, don't know. Normally I just use a Stihl sort of off the shelf stuff. How can I tell it wasn't oiling? Well, the chain does become dry, visibly dry, and I suppose you will get the sort of abnormal wear, but mainly when they come to fill up with fuel. Most chainsaws, if not all chainsaws, are designed to run out of fuel first before the oil, and I was finding that you know, just come to top ups of fuel, and I hardly used any oil, so that's basically the only way you can keep an eye on it. So we'll see. Got some logs to cut up next week. We'll see if it performs any better. So one last thing to do before I put it away is just to back off the chain, to leave the chain slack. Don't want to leave it tight on the bar stored. So the moral of the story then is to know what you're using really. Modern, I say modern, or more eco-friendly chain oils might be more vegetable based or organic based and may well clog up quicker than a sort of synthetic one. Depends on how you use the saw and what your situation is. But if like me you're just a very sort of ad hoc, once in a blue moon user, then you might need something that doesn't congeal just in storage. So there you go, back to normal running condition.